Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up Antigravity IDE and OpenCode on Windows 11. Now I am going download Antigravity IDE. Go to web browser. Go to search. Download Antigravity IDE. Press enter. First link is showing Google Antigravity download. Go to second link. Antigravity IDE. Let's click on it. It will redirect to download section. Click on download. I am using Windows OS, so click download under Windows. Now the downloading is started. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Downloading is completed. It 218 megabits setup file. Let's right-click on it. Click Open. Minimize web browser. License agreement. Click I accept the agreement. Click Next. Destination location. Click Next. Start menu folder. Click Next. Check on Create a desktop icon. Click Next. Click Install. Antigravity installation in progress. It will take few minutes. Now the setup is completed. Launch Antigravity IDE. Click on Finish. Welcome to Antigravity IDE. Click Continue with Google. Click just once. Now log on as Gmail. Click Open Antigravity IDE. Awaiting authentication. Success. Continuing. Click Next. Select theme. I will choose Dark Modern. Click Next. How do you want to use the Antigravity IDE agent? Review-driven development recommended. Click Next. Configure your editor. Click Next. Already check source coder. Click Next. Security notice and data use. Already check Yes. Click on Next. Now Antigravity open for the first time. Now set up the project folder. Click Open folder. Click Document. Click New folder. Set folder name. I am given it name called OpenCode-project. Click Select folder. Check on Trust the authors of all files in the parent folder. Click Yes, I trust the author. Now you can see OpenCode folder is here. Now I am going to install OpenCode. Go to web browser. Type opencode.ai. Press enter. Click on npm. Copy this command. Go to Windows search. Type cmd. Click on command prompt. I have already installed Node.js on this machine. Let's check the npm version. npm-v. Hit enter. Now you can see npm version. Paste the copied command here. Hit enter. Now OpenCode is installing. After installing, now run OpenCode on command prompt. Type OpenCode. Press enter. OpenCode is running. Now select the free version model. /model. Hit enter. Select Nemotron 3 Super. Press enter. Select variant. Default. Hit enter. Now Nemotron 3 Super model is selected. Type Hi. Hit enter. Hello, how can I assist you today? Now I am going to set up OpenCode in Antigravity. Close command prompt. Go to Antigravity. Go to Extensions. Search OpenCode. Maximize. Select OpenCode for VS Code. Click Install. Trust Publisher and install. Now OpenCode VS Code extension is installed. Click Open Code. It will getting error. Select and copy this error. Go to web browser. Open new tab. Go to Google. Paste the command in search bar. Hit enter. Click Show More. Scroll down. Copy this PowerShell command. Go to Antigravity. Paste the command here. Now command is executed. Run OpenCode command again. As you can see, OpenCode is running. Close extension OpenCode. See the model Nemotron 3 super free. Now I am going to create simple web page using HTML. Type. Create a simple Hello World web page using HTML. Hit enter. As you can see guys, web page is created. Go to Explorer. Right-click on index.html. Select Reveal in File Explorer. Right-click on index.html. Click Open. Click just once. Now the Hello World web page is open. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install Antigravity and OpenCode extension for unlimited coding on Windows. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.